In Indiana, a school superintendent was booked on felony charges after she said she tried to help a sick student. Dean Reynolds spoke with her.
Casey Smitherman is the superintendent of the Elwood, Indiana Community Schools, and this is not her favorite picture. It's her mugshot after getting arrested last week for insurance fraud, identity deception, and official misconduct, all for doing the right thing the wrong way.
I would really like to go back and revisit that moment and change it, but I can't.
She's talking about 2 weeks ago when she took a 15-year-old student without health insurance but with a very sore throat to a medical clinic, passed him off as her son, and paid for the visit and a prescription with her own health insurance. The boy she helped lives in town with his great uncle.
Do you feel a certain amount of, like, motherliness toward him? I mean, protectiveness?
I do, yeah. It's hard not to want to help all of our kids.
In this school district, where 78% of the kids qualify for free or reduced lunches, groups of teachers have identified struggling students to help with food, clothing, and mentoring. Last Saturday, Casey told the police what she'd done and turned herself in. The police alerted prosecutor Rodney Cummings.
I think there have to be some consequences, but they shouldn't be career jeopardizing. I think there's a way to take care of that without destroying our career because her motives were good.
I'm not justifying what I did, but I also think it's hard to think about looking in the face of that sick kid. And so until you're in that boat, you don't know.
She is now in what's called a diversion program that will allow the charges to be dropped if there are no further arrests in the coming year. Casey says that's a good bet. Dean Reynolds, CBS News, Elwood, Indiana.